Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I just kind of want to make this quick little one about why you probably shouldn't just impulse buy a 3060 just because it's being released tomorrow and you might actually be able to purchase one. So there's a couple of things that I want to talk about here. The 3060, first off, I don't think it's a bad buy whatsoever, but I definitely think those of you who are in the market for one of these cards should be aware of what's happening over in the AMD camp. So the 3060 is going for around $330. Realistically, it's probably going to be around the $400 price range or the $450 price range, just because there's that whole tariff thing, and these cards have been marked up famously. Like, I know some MSI variants are probably going for around $500, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, so the main reason why I want to make this video in the first place was because AMD basically just announced their RX 6700 XT lineup, or just 6700. Don't really know what kind of models they are going to be releasing within this. But yeah, so they said that they are going to be announcing them on March 3rd, and if you click on the link right here, it basically just brings you to the page. It doesn't really tell you too much. It just kind of gives you a little graphic right here, and it says, join us at March 3rd, 11 a.m. ET. So it probably is going to sync up pretty well with the release dates that we've been seeing. Most people are saying that these cards are going to be released around mid-March. So the announcement date is probably going to be, probably going to be a couple weeks afterwards is when those cards are actually going to launch. I think these cards are going to be super good considering all the stuff that we've been seeing from them. So this is an article on PC Gamer. I just kind of pulled this up to get a rough kind of price estimate from people who have been seeing some stuff from these guys. And some people are saying that the 6700, so maybe not the XT model, is going to be priced around the $300 to $400 increment, and probably is going to be impeding on what this 3060's market is going to be. Now, in terms of performance, I definitely think the RX 6700 is probably going to beat out the 3060. Again, I don't really know what the entire spec sheet of this graphics card is. We don't really know the amount of RAM, the exact amount of compute units that maybe the 6700 has. I know the 6700 XT is supposed to have the full 40 on that die, but I don't know if the 6700 is going to be cut down or not. But just from the stuff that we've seen, the 6700 is probably going to outperform this particular graphics card at a better price point. So again, that doesn't really mean that you shouldn't buy a 3060. Again, I still think it's an okay card if you can get it for a pretty reasonable price. Probably wouldn't pay anything more than $400 for it, but I don't really know how the market's going to work with that card. But I think people should just be aware that if you're willing to wait, I think the 6700 and the 6700 XT are probably going to offer way better value to performance than what these current cards are going to offer. But again, that doesn't really take into account if you need like CUDA, or if you want the DLSS or the RTX support and stuff like that. Even though the AMD does have ray tracing support, it's probably not going to be too great on these lower end GPUs. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to say in this video. I am working on a pretty big video project as of now. It's probably going to be released later this week, or maybe some point at this weekend. So if you guys do want to subscribe, it's basically a video about Intel and all of their stuff that they've been doing over the past years, and kind of how AMD overtook them over the time. So if you guys do want to go see that video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you guys know when it goes live. If you guys want to talk to people on the Discord, we have about 600 something people in our Discord community. So if you guys have tech questions, just want to talk tech or any of that sort of stuff, make sure to go check out our channel Discord. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.